So tell me the biggest takeaway you got from Chris going out into the field.
Chris was great. Getting the piece of paper and actually seeing the whole thing in action was two totally different things. Here you could read a script, but seeing how the script and how forceful it could be at the door as far as the script is concerned was a great thing to experience because A, you're at the door a lot longer, you get further into the pitch. B, you get a lot less resistance at the door versus being a straight sales guy going to the door. You're just actually at the door to hand them something and show them what we got going on in these great programs and stuff like that. So that was a good take on it, that people weren't A, giving you resistance, B, they were coming outside of the house trying to see what we're trying to do, where's the work going on in the neighborhood. So it's a totally different system, and it worked pretty good, and homeowners were kind of they were shocked. They're like, hey, what's going on out here? So that was the great take, the best take on the whole system and everything else. So